bus just cut me off. People drive crazy out here. Starting things off a little differently today. I'm in the car, and that's because I'm going out east to wine country on Long Island. Nope, I'm not going out there for the booze. I'm going out to this little place called Blue Duck Bakery, and that's because they make the absolute best brioche buns for lobster rolls, because that's what we're making today. And we're gonna shake our dudes right on top of it. Oh, I needed that. What's going on, guys? I'm back. I have my water boiling over here. I'm gonna get these lobsters cooking, and then we're gonna go inside and start working on some sauce. We're gonna let these lobsters steam for 20 minutes. All right, guys, I'm back in the kitchen. Now we're gonna get started on our butter for the Connecticut style lobster roll. Inside this little cast iron skillet, I have some fresh thyme, 2 sticks of unsalted butter, 3 chipolini onions, and then I have 2 crushed garlic cloves. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my burner over here, and I'm gonna keep it on the lowest heat. And we're gonna let that sit, and we're gonna let those flavors get to know each other. When everything gets melted in here, we're gonna add a little bit of our Dude's lemon pepper to it. So for our Maine style lobster roll, we're gonna go ahead and start with some chopped cucumbers, 4 tablespoons of mayo, some of our Dude's Gulf Coast seasoning, and then I took a handful of bread and butter pickles. We're gonna chop up and mix it in there. Now we're gonna go ahead and zest 1 lemon into this. Take our microplane. We're gonna roll this lemon out. That's how you get all the juices activated. We're gonna cut this bad boy in half. We're gonna add the juice of 1 lemon. And now we're gonna mix that up. Let's go ahead and give that a taste. Perfect. Now this is starting to simmer over here. You can go ahead and add a nice healthy shake of your Dude's lemon pepper. All right, guys, now that we got our mayo done and our butter's chilling, I'm gonna go outside and crack some lobsters. All right, I have my lobster over here. We're gonna go ahead and get started with toasting our buns. Check out these beautiful, beautiful buns from Blue Duck Bakery. All right, let's throw a lot of butter in this pan over here. Wait for it to get nice and hot. So how you wanna cut your lobster roll bun is you wanna kind of put a V in the top. So you wanna get that as full as possible. So we're gonna cut like this, straight down like a V. Like that, see? So let's get this one over here. Let's do the next one over here. Look at that, beautiful. All right, guys, for the Connecticut style lobster roll, you're gonna need some romaine because it's got a lot of butter in it, so you don't want it to kind of get all messy when you make your lobster roll. So let's trim this down, let it fit in the V. Like using this part right over here. I kind of just cut like a little boat. Like I'm gonna cut it right here. That's good. Trim it up nice. So you're kind of just using it to catch everything. I broke down 2 lobsters, so let's get 2 claws over here and a tail, and let's cut this up nice. We also drained our butter. It's just nothing but clarified butter right now. We're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of our butter that we cooked before into this pan. Now we're gonna take the lobster that we just cut up, and we're gonna put it in here. You guys didn't see me use any salt at all. That's because I'm gonna finish this with our Murry River Sea Salt. What does this taste like? Pretty good. Just squirt the lemon. Now let's fill this lobster roll up. Butter right on top. Look at that. Woo. Now we're gonna go ahead and start the Maine style lobster roll. Same thing, you got one lobster over here. Get a mixing bowl. And now you have your mayo mixture. We're gonna do 1, 2, and a half. Square lemon. Murry River Sea Salt. And we're gonna mix this up. We are going to give it a taste. Give it a thumbs up. And now we're gonna load our Maine style lobster roll up. This one probably cost me around $7 to make, and it's a hell of a lot nicer than any one you're gonna get in a restaurant. Fine as we can, we're gonna get some scallions. I wanted chive, couldn't find it, but we're just gonna sprinkle this right on top, just like that. Tell me those are not some beautiful lobster rolls. Lemon pepper, Gulf Coast, the best lobster rolls around. Guess there's really only one thing left to do, and that's to eat one of these. I'm gonna go Connecticut style, and I'm gonna cut it in half because I'm outside. All right. Cheers, guys. So good. It is so good. I can't help it, it's so good.